and Kip are so fine fixing Bird's nest. I am so sorry, Bird, said Kip. I guess it's okay, said Bird. I can fix my nest. No, said Kip. We can fix your nest. Let's look for some new sticks. Bird and Kip looked for new sticks. They found some in the park. They found some on the boardwalk. Then Kip found a fuzzy stick, and it was in a car. Broom, said Kip. What are you doing? asked Bird. I am a race car driver, said Kip. Don't be silly, said Bird. You are not a race car driver. Come on, Bird, said Kip. Let's go for a ride. I don't want to drive a car, said Bird. Cars go too fast. But we just pretending, Bird, said Kip. Okay, Bird, said Bird. Why not? Bird climbed into the car. Suddenly, it started to move.